Good morning. Welcome all. This is Jagadish Chandran sharing the Nifty technical view. Nifty has been consolidating in a range from past 13 trading sessions, the range being 18,000 and 18,400. Interestingly, after a consolidation, Nifty broke the crucial supports of 18,200, tested 18,100 to close at 18,203. For now, 18,050, 18,000 remains the crucial important supports. If decisively broken, 18,050, Nifty may slide towards 17,800. On the other hand, if Nifty sustains above 18,350 decisively, we may head towards 18,500, 18,600. For now, Nifty is cautiously poised, awaiting for the direction. Open interest data too suggests that 18,050 remains important support. Interesting chart setups. Bharati Airtel, TLF, Engineers India showing bullish setups can focus on these stocks for medium term to long term portfolio. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe the video, press the bell icon to get the notification.